Greetings interwebs, Richo here. It's been a while since I've made one of these. This is going to be a fairly short, sharp rant because I've got to get something off my chest. Evolution is just a theory. I hear this from time to time from creationists and other scientific illiterates on YouTube, in blogs and in comments, and recently I even heard it from someone who was defending evolution in a comments section. He was saying, oh, it's more than just a theory now, it's a fact. And this just drives me crazy for two reasons. The critical thing is people don't understand what theory is, what a theory is in science. The second is the stupid rhetorical trick of sticking just in front of something, just to say it's just a theory, as if that somehow magically alters what a thing is, putting the word just in front of it. I'll come back to that. Theories are the ultimate achievement in science. Once you've got a theory, that's as good as you get. You don't get better than theory. A theory doesn't graduate to being a fact when it's proved. That's not how science works. A theory is not a thing that you prove. A theory is a thing which you support with evidence, you support with experiment, a thing that you test and you test and you test, and what you're trying to do is to disprove a theory. You're trying to find some fact which disproves the theory. And if you can never do that, no matter how hard you try, you've got a good theory and it will survive and carry on. If you find a fact which contradicts your theory, you either have to scrap it or modify it, make it a better theory, a theory which does now fit all the facts. A fact is an observation, it's a data point, it's something that you observe, that you know, and you will try and make sense of that fact. And how you make sense of a fact is that you find a theory which explains how it fits in with all the other relevant facts. So in evolution, the facts are, there's a fossil. The fossil is in this particular rock layer. The rock layer is this particular distance from another rock layer which has different fossils in it. They're facts, lots and lots of facts. The structures that we see in animals and plants, their organs, their formations, these are facts. These are thousands and millions of facts. And what the theory of evolution does is it makes sense of all these facts. It puts them in a context, puts them in a relationship with each other. Another example which people should be familiar with is the heliocentric theory of the solar system. Nicholas Copernicus, he observed very carefully over a very long time the positions of planets amongst the stars, the position of the moon, when a moon was eclipsed, when it was visible, when it was setting. He mapped all that out over a long period of time, and then he fitted all those facts into a theory. And the theory was, what if the sun is at the centre of the solar system and the Earth and the planets are moving around it? Would it explain all my facts? And yes, it does. So, will the theory of heliocentrism ever be proved? No. But it'll never be disproved either, because no one will ever make an observation that will contradict the theory of heliocentrism. The theory will last forever. It will never be topped. It will never be improved on. It will never be supplemented by a fact. It is forever. The other thing I wanted to talk about was this idea of it's just a da-da-da. You're looking at the ocean. It's just water. You look out over a mountain range. Huge, majestic clouds floating. It's just rock. You look at a supernova remnant. It's 50 light years across. It's glowing hydrogen, helium, oxygen. It's magnificent. It's just an exploded star. Think of the most awesome, magnificent, wonderful thing you can think of and stick the word just in front of it. Did you do anything? It's a ridiculous ploy, saying something is just something else. You don't alter the nature of anything, you don't add or subtract from anything by just saying it's just a. It's just a newborn baby, you know. It's just a symphony. It's just a theory. Anyway. See you again soon.